You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmer! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmer!
You guys use this? Oh, yeah, apparently
Yeah,
I do.
that's our stand. So it's at 600 degrees. The piece will sit on that lava stone that rotates, and that's
Yeah.
lava stone.
How hot do you get it?
Yep.
How hot?
600 degrees. It'll go up to
600. Okay.
You don't want to do that.
And it is wood.
Wood fired, yep. So that
Okay.
wood side over there.
Yeah, nice.
You got good smoke flavor.
Sweet.
There's your pizza if you want a picture of that.
Very cool. That's pretty cool. What kind of wood is that?
I think that's pecan right now. Just depends on what we got local, going on.
Yeah. Sweet. That's it. Somewhere down there. Outstanding. Looks good.
Thank you. My pleasure. Anything at all, just let me know. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
She is hot.
I know it is right.
Have a napkin? You got them all. This morning. A little bit of this one.
Like spicy. What is that? A salt or cheese?
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Hot.
Yeah. Very good. Just gotta be careful. It's screaming hot. It's hot. New York style. It's gonna be a little floppy, so you gotta put the fold on. Oh, pizza is very good. The wood-fired oven is so cool. I love it. It's amazing. New York style. Beautiful color. Sauce is good. Toppings are great. Little lady is eating hers. She likes it. Customer service, number one. The guy's very eager to answer questions, and I can appreciate it. And the owners of the place are from where we just left in Michigan. Yeah, that wood-fired oven, you can taste the difference. There's no taste like this. Can't get it any other way without using wood.